उसमें से इनफैक्ट मैंने कुछ बनाया भी था।
Very good. Muy bien.
इस
Was it
पे
very
हम
good?
बात करेंगे।
Very good. Very good. Okay. Now, for example, is it visible that that notepad is visible to you?
No, it's not visible.
Is it fine now?
It's fine now.
Now speak up. La casa. Today the topic is
La,
thema.
la,
Thema is my theme. La casa.
la casa,
Yes, the house. La casa.
the
La
house.
casa.
La casa, the house. The house. Okay.
All right. Okay. That
Mm-hmm.
whiteboard is visible to you, right? Is it visible to you? Okay. Now
It's
speak
very,
up.
yes.
Senor. Speak up. Senor. Senor.
Senor,
Y senorita. Speak up. Senor. Y senora. I will
senor,
say senora. Senora. Mrs. N. N we have a sign. Okay. I do not sign. Okay. Let me take the sign of N. 1 second. 1 second, please. Yeah. Okay. 1 second. Senor, speak after me then. Senor, senorita, speak up. Senor,
senor,
senorita, speak up. Senor,
senor.
senorita,
Mhm.
senorita, senora, 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 we have Mrs. It means, for example, you're married, right? What I will say, Mr. and Mrs. Farhat.
Mhm.
Is it clear to you?
Yeah,
Mr. and Mrs. Farhat live in a house. Is it clear to you?
yes,
Is it clear
yes,
to you? Clear?
yeah.
So what I will say, Senor, okay, where's that notepad? Let me take the notepad.
Okay.
I will say, Senor y Senora Smith. Senor y Senora
Uh-huh.
Smith. Is it clear to you?
Smith.
It means Mr.
Okay.
and Mrs. Smith.
Oh,
TNN,
okay.
speak after me. TNN. You know what is TNN? Now you tell me, because we have done tener conjugation, have done with this. Remember, we have done
Mm-hmm.
tener conjugation. Yo tengo, tú
Mm-hmm.
tienes, él, ella tiene, nosotros tenemos, vosotros tenéis, and ellos tienen. Perfecto.
CNN,
Vale.
yes. I have. Who has have?
Yeah,
They,
exactamente. Tener.
they have.
Tener is my verb to have. So if I will say
Yeah.
TNN,
TNN, they,
why
Mr.
I will
and
say
Mrs. Smith have.
yes. Tienen un hijo, un hijo, hijo, hijo y una, 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 speak up,
Mm-hmm.
una hija,
Mm-hmm.
hija.
Ika.
Hiko is my son and hija is my daughter. So what I'm saying
Oh, wow.
is, señor y señora Farhad tienen un hijo y una hija. It means señor, because you are plural, you are two-person. So that can be
Mm.
tienen because that's a
Mr.
plural
and Mrs.
person.
Smith have
Have
a, a
a,
son
a son, a son
and
and a daughter and one daughter. Un,
and
we have a masculine una, we have a feminine a. Is it clear to you?
okay, perfecto.
Perfecto. Now,
Exactamente.
exactamente. Now speak up, please. Señor
Señor y
y señora Smith,
señora Smith, Smith, hijo, hijo,
tienen, no, 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 tienen, because we have verb tienen, also tienen un hijo y una hija. Is it clear to you?
wait, Smith, okay.
Tienen,
TNN,
have,
TNN,
senor and senora Smith have a son and a daughter. Now speak up. Señor y señora Smith tienen un hijo y una hija. Is it clear to you? Perfecto, vale.
okay. I'll repeat it. It's señor y señora Smith tienen un hijo y una hija.
Exactamente. Speak up. El nombre. Speak up. Nombre is my
El
name
nombre,
basically. Nombre. Nombre is your name. El
yeah.
nombre del hijo. El nombre del hijo es
Mm-hmm.
David. David. Is it clear to you? Now, what I'm
Okay.
saying, the name of the kid, they'll, the name, the son's name, basically the son's name is David. The son's name, the name of the son, they'll, of the,
El nombre del of hijo es David.
es David. So what I will say,
Is the
el nombre del,
it's not David. It's David.
we can say David, that's not a problem. Okay. El nombre del hijo es David. Speak up.
Mm.
El
El
nombre
nombre
del
del hijo es
hijo
David.
es David. Is it clear to you?
Yeah.
El nombre, speak up. El nombre, speak after me. El nombre
El
de la,
nombre
de la hija. I
del
will explain to you why del and why del. I will explain to you. De la, okay, el.
okay, it's because of hika is feminine and hijo is
Exactamente. See,
masculine.
if we have a masculine, which is of
Mm.
the, listen to me very carefully. If we have a feminine of the, very
If we
important,
have
of the, clear.
a
So
feminine
they is my of, okay.
of
El, el, el is my masculine. So they plus el is equal to del. If we have of is they plus l is equal to del, but they plus la is equal to de la only. Is it clear to you? Is it clear to you?
okay.
Is it clear to you?
Okay.
Because with
Wait,
feminine, that is,
I'll just note it. I'll just note it in
yeah,
my
sure.
notebook. Just
Yeah,
a minute.
sure.
If
That's
we
not a
have a
problem.
feminine of the,
Mhm.
if we have a feminine of the,
Mhm. Plus
okay,
la, because la is a feminine, we have de la.
okay.
Okay.
I'll just
Mhm.
write it in a proper way.
Yeah, sure.
If we have a feminine
Mm-hmm.
with
Mm-hmm.
with what we say
Oh, that with
uh,
noun. That with the noun,
of
feminine. Yeah.
the,
So we have dela
then
of the
then
dela.
then it will
Masculine we
be
have del. Mm-hmm.
de la.
Mm-hmm.
If we
Dela.
have
Mm-hmm.
a masculine
Mm-hmm.
masculine
Mm-hmm.
with
Mm-hmm.
with the of the,
Mm-hmm. Exactamente.
then it will be del.
Del, because we have they plus L is equal to del. There's a formula of articles. Of is they, L is
Perfect.
masculine. So they plus L is equal to del. And if we have a they plus feminine article, that is dela. Is it clear to you?
Perfecto.
So if I will say el nombre del hijo es David, el nombre
Mhm.
de la hija es Kathy. Is it clear to
Let's
you?
get
S is my is. To have we done with this? Yo soy, tú eres, él, ella es. Es
yeah,
pair conjugation.
yes, yeah.
Situation is fixed because the name is Kathy, the Kathy only. So for this reason, we are using pair conjugation. So el
Mm-hmm.
nombre del hijo es David, el nombre de la hija es Kathy. Is it clear to you? Kathy.
Perfect. Yeah, perfect, perfect.
Is it clear to you?
Yeah, it's clear to me. Very clear to me.
Okay, all right. So then we have the Smith live in a house. If I will say the Smith live in a
The,
house.
the
So
the
we have a
Smith
verb where. Speak after me. Where. Where is my verb
live
to live? Speak after
in
me.
the house.
Where is
In the red house, we would say.
in the
Red house.
red. What is red?
Yeah.
Okay, in a
Like
red house.
dark
Okay.
red
Okay.
house, yeah.
That's fine. So Smith, okay. So we were. Speak up. We were is my verb to live.
Vivir is my
Vivir
verb to live.
is my verb to live. So the moment I will conjugate vivir verb, you know what is the formula of I-ending verb as explained to you? Clear?
Yes, I
So
know.
speak
I'll
after
just
me.
repeat it.
Speak after me
No, yeah,
then.
no,
Yo
I'll
vivo.
do it. I'll do it.
Yo vivo
You,
is to I live. Yo vivo because
yeah.
see, I will explain to
Yo
you the
vivo is
formula of
I
ironing
live
verb.
to
What is the formula of
to
ironing verb in Spanish? We have O is a. Speak after me.
Imos
O
is
is a.
N.
Imos
Imos
is
is N.
N. This is the formula of ironing verb. So what is the
Yeah.
formula of ironing verb in Spanish?
The
O
Smith
is a. Emos
Hmm.
is in. So as a rule,
So,
I have to remove ir from the end. As a
right,
rule,
correct.
I have to remove ir from the end. Then apply the conjugation, please. What you will do? What you will do?
So it's a the Smith is it should be Smiths, correct?
Yes, yo vivo. पहले first fill the conjugation. Then we'll do
Okay,
this.
yo vivo,
Yo
yo
vivo.
vivo,
Tu
yo
vives.
vivo,
Tu vives.
yo vivo, tú vives,
Ella
él,
vive.
ella, usted vive,
Very good.
nosotros
Nosotros is we.
vivimos,
Ella is he. She. Very good. Nosotros vivimos.
vosotros
Vivimos.
vivís,
Vivimos. Very
ellos,
good.
ellas,
Muy
ustedes
bien, muy
viven.
bien. Vosotros vives. Muy bien. Vives. And ellos, ellas viven.
Ellas, ustedes viven.
Exactamente. Is it clear to you? Speak up. Yo vivo, tú vives, él, ella vive, nosotros vivimos, vosotros vivís, and ellos, ellas viven.
Hmm.
Is it clear to you?
It's perfecto.
Is it clear to you? Now,
Yeah, it's clear to me.
for example, if we'll say, the Smith live in a house. So what I will say, the Smiths, yes, Smiths.
Yeah, Smiths
The Smiths जो है जो
live in
स्मिथ्स
the
हैं
house.
जो स्मिथ्स
So
हैं जो
it would
जितने भी
be,
स्मिथ्स हैं their kids and the family of
yeah,
Smiths.
whole
The
family. So
Smiths
it would be uh
Los, because we have Smiths, lot of Smiths, right?
yeah,
Los Smith,
los Smith,
Smith, we win. Why we are we win? Because that's a plural. That's a
plural,
plural.
yeah,
It's a plural.
ustedes.
Yes, plural. In the house. In una casa. Is it
Okay.
clear to you? So
In the
Los
red
Smith,
house,
Los Smith, is it clear to you?
yeah, yeah,
Is it clear to you? So red we
it's
have
clear to me.
Rokha. If you will say Rokha, Rokha,
Hmm.
red house. You say the Smith live in a red house. Rokha.
So los Smith viven
And
en una loca casa.
no. Now what I will do is because we have Rokha, there's an adjective, right? So Los Smith vive in una casa de Rokha. Is it clear to you? Casa,
Perfecto,
casa,
perfecto.
red, house of the red, something like casa de Roca. Is it clear to you? So los
Casa de,
viven en una casa de Roca. Is it clear to you? Roca,
una
casa,
casa.
casa, Roca, which is a because in European language basically we have sense basically. Ki,
Yeah.
the Smith family that live in the house which is red,
Hmm.
they Roca. Is it clear to you?
Hmm. Hmm.
Is it clear to you?
Yeah, it's clear to me. It's clear to me.
Okay, now you have uh they have a living room. You know, living room, the moment you entered, we have a living room. The moment you entered,
Yeah.
living room. So they have, so what is this? TNN. Why TNN? I can explain to you again. Because we have a tener conjugation. Tener is my verb to have. Tener is my verb to have. This is something like an irregular verb. So speak up. Yo tengo is to I have. Speak up, please. Tú tienes.
Yo tengo, yo tengo, tú
Tienes.
tienes, él, ella tiene, nosotros tenemos, vosotros tenéis, ellos, ellas tienen.
Exactamente. Yo tengo. Tú tienes. Speak up. Tú tienes.
Yo tengo, tú tienes, él,
Él,
ella tiene,
ella tiene. Exactamente.
nosotros tenemos, vosotros tenéis, ellos, ellas tienen.
Nosotros tenemos. Vosotros tenéis. And ellos, ellas tienen. Is it clear to you?
Yeah, it's clear to me. Perfect.
So I will say yo tengo. Okay, now they have a living room. So they have,
Yeah,
lot of have. Is it clear to you? So what I will say,
they,
tienen, tienen, okay, una, a living room, una sala de, Speak up. Living room. Living room
Hmm.
को हम बोलते हैं साला. They have a living
Living.
room. Living room. Tienen una
Okay.
sala. Sala. Sala.
Tienen
Tienen
una
una sala. Speak up. Sala.
sala.
Is it
Sala.
clear to you?
Sala
Sala.
means room.
Living room बोलते हैं साला को हम. Living room.
Oh,
Okay.
sala
So
means living room.
yes. Okay. We have a lot of version of basically the room. Is it clear to you?
Hmm.
Clear? So
Okay.
sala we have habitación also where you live. Habitación. But sala is something like a living room. Is it clear to you? Sala.
Okay.
Is it clear to you?
Hmm. Hmm.
Tienen una sala. Speak up. Tienen
Tienen
una
una sala.
sala. Is it clear to you? Clear?
Okay. Una means a.
Oh, exactly. Clear? Now you will
Tienen is
say
they
that
have.
they have a
Tienen
living
una
room.
sala.
If you will say, for example, they watch TV in the living room.
They
अब
watch
हम-
TV.
Yes, they watch TV in the living room. So they watch to see. We have a conjugation where. Speak of where is my verb to see. Where
They
is my verb to see. Speak after me. Where.
where.
Where is my verb to see? Is it clear to you?
Yeah.
So what would be the where conjugation? Now speak after me. Where is my verb to see and to watch? Now speak after me. Yo veo. Speak up, please.
Yo yo
Yo veo.
veo.
Okay. Tu ves. Speak up. Tu ves. Speak up, please. Yo veo. Speak up.
Yo veo,
Yo
tú
veo.
ves,
Tu
tú
ves.
ves, ella,
El.
ella ve.
Very good. Exactamente.
Okay, nosotros vemos,
Very good.
vosotros veis, ellas ven.
Ellos, ellas, ven. Is it clear to you?
Yeah,
Clear? So speak
yeah.
up. Yo veo, tú ves. Speak up, please. Yo veo.
Yo veo, tú ves, ella ve, nosotros vemos, vosotros veis, ellas ven.
Is it clear to you?
Yes, they watch TV.
Yes. Is it clear to you?
Yeah, it's clear to me.
Is it clear to you? Sure.
Yeah, it's clear to me.
Now speak up, please. Yo veo. Speak up. Yo veo.
Yo veo, tú ves, ella ve,
Mhm,
nosotros vemos, vosotros veis,
mhm.
ellas ven.
Exactly. Is it clear to you? So now,
Yeah, it's clear to me.
for example, if
Mhm.
you will say, for example, they watch they watch the
Mhm.
television. If you will say, okay, one
Mhm.
second, huh? 1 second, please. Now if you will say they watch TV in the living room, they watch TV. अब they watch है, अब lot of people they watch. What you will say? Tell me what you will say. They watch,
You
lot of
watch.
people are watching. So what you will say? When.
So it would be uh
When the so
los ven
when la televisión, ven la
ven
televisión
ven la
en la sala.
ven la ven la televisión en la sala.
Exactly.
But
When
we could have said
when
is it not correct? Los when
नहीं ये why is not correct? आप कह सकते हो ellos, ellas, but Spanish में क्या है? When is by default this is a plural, right? And we do not use basically these type of terms. We can say that's not a problem. Is it clear to you?
when
Clear?
la
Ven la televisión, ven la
televisión
televisión en la sala. Is it clear to you?
en
Clear?
la sala.
Is it clear to you?
Oh, exactamente.
Very good, very good. If you will say, the father cooks food in the kitchen, pen down, please. Have it, the father, pen down, please, in English.
Mhm.
The father cooks food, the father cooks food in the kitchen. Now, father is padre. The father,
Yeah.
because father is my masculine, that is el padre.
Hmm.
Okay. Now we
Cocina
have
is
done,
cook.
have we done cocinar verb?
Yeah.
Have we done cocinar verb? Cocina is my verb to cook. Cocinar.
Cocina, yes, we did.
Okay, I will explain to you now. Cocinar is my verb to cook. Now tell me what is the formula of a running verb, because we have a running verb now. So speak up. O as a.
O, o as a, amos, ais, an. O as
Exactly.
a, amos, ais, an.
So I have to remove cos AR and apply cosino, cosinas, cosina, cosinamos, cosinais, cosinan.
Yeah.
बट
So we
फादर
would
बना रहे
say
हैं, अब फादर
the father.
बना रहे
Okay.
हैं तो हम
El
एल एया,
padre.
एल padre cosina, because we will conjugate with el eya.
Mhm.
Clear? So
Perfect.
el padre cocina la comida. Comida is your food.
Comida means food.
Yes, exactamente. Comida is your food in the kitchen. Cocina, en la cocina. Cocina is your kitchen. Say
But cocina, but there are two cocinas. One is
exactamente the same in English also. Cuisine, cuisine we have. I'm cuisining, and this is my cuisine. This is my kitchen. The same in Spanish also. I cuisine good. If I will say, oh, I cuisine good, and this is my cuisine. Is it clear to you? Perfecto.
hmm. So
So
there is no difference. So
exactamente. This is a
kitchen
sense
and
of the see language. में कहीं ना कहीं we have a sense also. Is it clear to you? This is your
hmm,
vocal. Clear?
hmm,
Okay. So el padre cocina la comida en la cocina. Is it clear to you?
yeah,
Now,
exactamente.
very good. If you will say they eat in the dining room, because I am giving you the today the vocab of related to your house, dining room, blah blah. Is it clear to you? Now we have verb comer. Comer is my verb to eat.
Hmm.
Speak up. Comer.
Comer. Comer is my verb to eat.
Now this is my e-running verb. Now this is my
Yeah.
e-running verb. Is it clear to you?
Hmm.
So what is the
Hmm.
formula of e-running verb? You know, speak after me. OSA, the formula of e-running verb. OSA, आयर में भी ये
Hmm.
होता है OSA, बट आयर में क्या होता है ईमोस होता है, बट यहाँ पे होगा एमोस. आयर में क्या होता है इस होता है, आयर में क्या होता
Yeah.
है आपका इस
यहाँ
होता है
पे ए
इमोस
ईस हो
इस,
जाएगा. ई
बट
ई
यहाँ पे
आई एस.
एमोस एस हो जाएगा. इज इट एस हो जाएगा, सॉरी. इज इट क्लियर टू यू?
Yeah. And
Okay, and in
and.
in your ironing verb, okay, in your ironing
Mhm.
verb we have a same conjugation OSA. Only in case of emos we have emos is okay, this is a rule. Ironing verb is in. Is it clear to you?
Yeah.
Clear?
Just
Speak up.
just a moment. Huh? Just a moment. Just a moment.
Okay, all right.
Hi. Sorry. Hello. Ankit.
Yeah, okay. 1 second, yeah.
Yeah.
Please hold the line,
Uh,
please. Okay, all right, sure. So where we were in the paragraph of, let me open the notepad. That whiteboard is visible to you?
no, it's not.
Okay, all right. Is it fine now?
Just a minute. Yeah, it's fine.
Okay. Now speak up, please. Okay. Yo como, tú comes, ella come. Speak up, please. Yo como,
Yo como,
tú
tú
comes.
comes, tú
Yo
comes.
como,
Yo como, tú
tú
comes.
comes. Is it clear to you?
Él y ella
Yes.
come.
Él,
Nosotros
él y
comemos.
ella come. Nosotros comemos.
Nosotros comemos. Vosotros coméis.
Coméis.
Ellos y ellas comen.
Coméis. And ellos, ellas comen. Is it clear to you?
Yeah.
Clear?
Yes, it's clear.
Is it clear to you? So now, for example, okay. Now, for example, if you will say, yo como, tú comes. What is this one? 1 second, please. Okay, so we have the translation today, which is they eat in the dining room. Okay,
Yeah. Yeah.
they eat in the dining room. Is it clear to you?
They eat in the dining room.
Yes. So what you will say? They eat. They eat. So what you will say?
Okay.
Comen.
Yeah. I'll just
Mm-hmm.
correct it.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. It's a comer. So I would
Comen.
say, yeah, comen. We will say
Comen en el
comen en la.
comedor. Comedor, we have a dining room. El, why el? Because this is my masculine. This is my masculine. Comen en el comedor. They eat in the dining room. Comen en el comedor. Is it clear to you?
Okay. If it was
Hmm.
comen en la camedar.
Comedor.
Comedar.
En el, no, no. En el comedor.
No,
Comedor.
it is masculine because of comer.
Yes, comedor, come is comer, comedor is my dining room. With comer, comedor. Is it clear to you?
Okay.
Clear? If you will say, for example, the house has 2 bedrooms. Pen down in English. The house
Yeah.
has 2 bedroom. So you know has a verb which is tener. You
The
know
house has
2 bedrooms. Okay. Now you know there is 2 bedroom. The house,
mm,
la casa tiene, because the house has tener verb, tiene dos dormitorios, bedroom, dormitorios, dos dormitorios. La casa tiene 2 dormitorios. Speak up, please. La casa
la casa
tiene
tiene dos
2 dormitorios,
dormi. Okay, why
torios,
dos here?
because 2 bedroom, dos, uno,
Dos,
dos, tres.
dos.
The
Okay,
counting I will explain to you, that's not a problem. So, la casa tiene 2 dormitorios. Is it clear to you?
perfecto.
Okay, okay. Is it clear to you? Now speak
Mm.
up, please. Speak up. Speak up, please.
La casa tiene dos dormitorios.
Yes.
La casa tiene dos
So,
dormitorios.
exactly. If I will say, for example, uh, they sleep in the bedroom. If I will say they sleep in the bedroom, it means I have to understand about my sleep conjugation. What to say sleep in Spanish? We have dormir. Dormir is my verb to sleep.
Okay.
Yes, but it is very important to
Mm.
understand we have O
Yeah,
between
it's
two.
IR conjugation, right?
But over
It's,
here we have O between
they
two
sleep.
consonant. Listen
They
very carefully.
so
No, 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 no. Please listen to me first. We have O between two consonants. D and
mm,
R. So your
it should
U
be
is
dear me.
no, 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 no. That O is converted into UE. That O
Okay.
is converted into UE. That's a rule. That's a rule. Dormir, we have duermo. Speak up, duermo. Because see, it is very important to understand the conjugation of this verb. Dormir is not dormo. No, that is duermo. So yo
Okay,
duermo.
here I have a question. Sorry to interrupt.
Mhm.
Why O will convert into UE?
That's a rule which is we have to learn by heart because we have these irregular verbs. These are not regular verbs. जैसे we have hablar, दो के दिखे you hablo, tu hablas. Yes. For example, in English also, I am, you are, but I cannot say you am because that's a rule I have to learn by heart. The same thing over here. We have a dormir verb which is to sleep. This is my because we have different ending. We have to learn by heart. Sometimes we call it as irregularity verbs. These are the irregular verbs. Irregular verbs का मतलब क्या आता है कि जिनकी verbs की ending I have to learn by heart. So that is my irregular verbs. Irregularities हैं.
So how do we how can I come to know that this is
This
irregular
is
verb?
this is you have to learn. Dormir is to sleep, and that is yo duermo. Clear.
Okay.
Now,
So
for
is
example, if
there
I
any
ask to you, okay. Now, for example, if I ask to you, what is the spelling of kitchen? Tell me in English.
KITCHEN
What is the spelling of knife?
KNIFE?
Why it's not knife? It means I learn by
Yeah,
heart. The
yeah,
same thing
because
because
same as ablar. It's not hablar, it's ablar.
that's yes, that's H would not pronounce. That's fine, but
Yeah,
over
but
here we
here
have
how do I come to know that this is irregular verb?
this is you have to learn by heart. The dormir is my irregular verb.
No, is there any booklet where they
Nah,
are because no.
there is no booklet, but yes, I will share a lot of irregular verb with you.
Okay, perfect.
Right? Booklet का
Yeah.
मतलब क्या है? If I will make a copy of a booklet, these are irregular verb. It means this is a booklet, right?
Mhm,
But ऐसा
mhm.
कोई सेंस नहीं है जहाँ पे आपको कुछ you know कुछ guess हो कि this is my irregular verb. Yes, we as a rule you can understand we have a O coming between two consonant which is D and R. It is you can go with this, but not in every cases. We have a O between two consonants, okay, and that O is converted into UE. That is duermo. Is
Mm.
it clear to you?
Yes.
Because language is all about your sense because this is your foreign language, right?
Mm.
Speak up. You do it.
Okay.
Speak up, please.
Though, so we would say it's the okay. They sleep. Duermo,
Yo duermo. Speak up, please. Yo duermo.
yo yo
Yes.
duermo, yo
Tú,
duermo,
tú duermes. Tú
yo
duermes.
duermo, tú duermes.
Is it clear to you?
Él ella
Duerme.
él ella
Ella
duerme.
duerme. Now. 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 हमने पहले भी वर्ब्स करी हैं इस टाइप की. As explained
Duermo
to
नहीं
you,
किया.
nosotros and vosotros will not change.
Okay, that would be dormosos.
Dormimos, exactly.
Dormimos, sorry,
Nosotros and
dormimos
vosotros मेरा कभी change नहीं होता है. That would be dormimos. Okay.
and
Then we have
vosotros
dormis,
dormeis,
dormes,
dormis.
dormes.
Okay, yeah,
Okay.
and ellas duermen.
Duermen,
No, duermen.
duermen,
Sorry.
duermen. These are the verbs. If you ask to me, say conjugation. So you will say why yo soy. It is not why yo so. Because these are the
Mhm,
irregularities which we have to learn by heart.
mhm.
Yo soy, you have done yo soy. It is not yo so. As a rule, I have to remove er and I have to apply o. So that should be yo so, but that is yo soy. Tener verb. We can say yo tengo. Why it's not yo teno?
So
Why?
suppose if I have to say like yo dormir, that is correct. Yo dormir.
Why your dorming is
To,
correct? No.
so it would be yo duermo.
Exactamente, because in if I will say in Hindi, मैं पढ़ना हूँ. Is it correct?
No.
Why मैं पढ़ता हूँ? Because you have to remove
So
na and you have to
okay,
apply
it
ta.
should be tu duermes.
Yes, we can say तू dormir. Because see हिंदी में समझो, not in English. पढ़ना फुल वर्ब
हम्म,
पढ़ता, पढ़ती, पढ़ते. अगर मैं बोलूं तू पढ़ना है, आप लोग व्हाट इज दिस गोइंग ऑन, आर यू मैड, तू पढ़ता है, आई विल से व्हाई, यू विल से यू हैव टू रिमूव ना, and with your subject you have to apply your conjugation.
okay,
Is it clear to you? So
okay.
is it clear to, I understand this is a different language, it takes some time, but yes, we'll do practice in this. Speak up, yo
Yeah,
duermo.
I know it will take some time, but
Yeah,
I'm sure I'll definitely do it.
definitely you will do this, right? Speak up, yo duermo. Speak up, yo duermo.
Yo duermo, tú duermes.
Duermes, ella duerme,
Él y ella duerme.
nosotros dormimos,
Nosotros, nosotros
dormimos,
dormimos.
vosotros
Vosotros
dormís, vosotros
dormís.
dormes, and ellos, ellas
Ellos y
duermen.
ellas
Duermen.
duermen.
Is it clear to you? Now, for example, if
Exactamente.
you say, uh, they sleep in the bedroom. They sleep in they sleep. Now, this is they sleep, which is they sleep, which is duermen,
Richard,
because duermen,
duermen.
because they sleep, which
Yeah.
is duermen in los dormitorios, sleeping room, matlab the bedroom. They sleep in the bedrooms. So duermen en los dormitorios.
Okay.
Duermen
But
en los. They sleep in the
dormir.
bedroom.
Yeah.
Okay. So duermen en los dormitorios. Is it clear to you?
Mm,
Is it clear to you?
perfect. Yeah, perfect.
Is it clear to you?
Yeah, it's clear to me. I'll
Right.
do some practice, then it will be much clearer to me.
Definitely. Exactly. Bilkul. You're right. Exactly. Okay. Okay. Now I will explain to you one more thing over here. I just want to explain you because we have two things over here. Okay. Which is to keep. I will explain to you to keep. To keep. So we have verb guardare. Okay. I will explain to you first. Okay. One second. If I will say, for example, if I will say, let's go for a translation.
Mm,
There is one bathroom. There is one bathroom.
mhm,
There is, and there are को हम बोलते हैं
mhm.
I. Speak up. I. Speak up, please. I को हम बोलते हैं there is and there are. There is a bathroom, one bathroom. So I un baño. Speak up. I un baño.
Hay un baño.
Baño. Exactly. I un baño. Speak up.
Mhm. Hay un baño.
Exactly. Speak up, please. I un
Hay un
baño.
baño.
Speak up,
Hay
please.
un baño.
Exactly. I un.
There is one bathroom.
There's a bathroom. So
There is a bathroom.
I un
Hmm.
baño. Is it clear to you?
Yes.
I un baño.
Baño means bathroom.
Yes, baño is your bathroom. I un baño. Is it clear to you?
Okay. Yeah, it's clear to me.
Clear. देखो अब मैं ना आपको एक चीज समझाऊंगा. कुछ हमारी ऐसी verbs होती हैं which is CPR. Very important verb we have. Very
What?
important verb. Very important verb. CPR से. I just want to explain you one
Sepia.
thing. Yes, we have a verb CPR से. Speak up. CPR से. Very
In
important verb.
spelling?
मैं आपको अभी लिख देता हूँ उस verb का नाम. Very important verb. देखो कुछ ऐसी वर्ब होती है मेरी से पी आर से. स्पीक अप. से पी आर से.
Oh, Sepia se.
देखो यहाँ पे ना लास्ट में से लगा हुआ है. से पी आर से. ये मेरी से वर्ब्स हैं. से पी आर
Okay.
से. देखो नॉर्मली क्या होता है आपकी ए आर से वर्ब एंड हो रही है या आर से आपकी वर्ब एंड हो रही है या आपकी आर ई से एंड हो रही है वर्ब आपकी. क्लियर. बट यहाँ पे
Mm-hmm.
आपकी ए आर से एंड होके एस ई लग रहा है लास्ट में. ओके. से पी आर से पी आर
Mm-hmm.
से. तो मेरी कुछ ऐसी
Mm-hmm.
वर्ब भी हैं उसको बोलते हैं रिफ्लेक्सिव वर्ब्स. क्या बोलते हैं हम इसको? रिफ्लेक्सिव
Reflexive.
वर्ब्स. यस. हमारी कुछ रिफ्लेक्सिव वर्ब्स होती हैं स्पेनिश में जो कि से मतलब क्या है, जैसे हम बोलते हैं ना इंग्लिश में टू ब्रश वन सेल्फ, बोलते हैं कि आई ब्रश माई सेल्फ, यू ब्रश योर सेल्फ, ही शी ब्रश हिमसेल्फ हर सेल्फ, वी ब्रश अवर सेल्फ, यू ब्रश योर सेल्फ, दे ब्रश देम सेल्फ। तो कुछ ऐसी वर्ब्स हैं जो इस कॉन्जुगेशन पे चलती हैं मेरी, वो होती हैं, वो से पे खत्म होती हैं। से पी आर एयर एंडिंग वर्ब है, बट से पे खत्म, दिस इज समथिंग लाइक अ रिफ्लेक्सिव वर्ब। इज इट क्लियर टू यू?
से पे जो खत्म होती हैं वो रिफ्लेक्सिव वर्ब्स कहलाती हैं।
मतलब उसको हम बोलते हैं किस वजह से, इंग्लिश में उसको क्या होगा, मैं मेरी फुल वर्ब है टू ब्रश वन सेल्फ, तो जब मैं बोलूंगा टू ब्रश वन सेल्फ तो क्या बोलूंगा, आई ब्रश वन सेल्फ, किस में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा, माई सेल्फ में। यू ब्रश किस में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा, यू ब्रश योर सेल्फ में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा। मतलब से मेरा क्या है, वन सेल्फ। So whenever I want to
ओके
conjugate with say in Spanish, that should be myself, himself, herself. Is it clear to you?
ओके, जैसे देम सेल्फ,
Hmm.
हर
Exactly.
सेल्फ।
So now you have to speak after me. Say पहले convert करना है, speak up. मैं ते से, पहले से convert करना सिखा रहा हूँ। से को हटाना जरूरी है ना। One self किस में convert होगा, myself में, which is me. Yourself किस में convert हो जाएगा, yourself, ते में, मैं ते से, himself, यहाँ पे से क्या है मेरा, his हर के साथ ना, बोलो मैं ते से, स्पीक अप प्लीज, मैं ते से,
मैं ते से,
स्पीक अप प्लीज, मैं ते से, स्पीक आफ्टर मी,
मैं
मैं ते से,
मैं से, मैं ते से,
नॉस, स्पीक अप, नॉस
मैं
औसे,
ते से,
नॉस औसे,
नॉस
औसे,
औसे,
स्पीक अप प्लीज, मैं ते से, नॉस औसे, स्पीक अप प्लीज, मैं ते से,
मैं
नॉस
ते
औसे,
से, नॉस औसे,
स्पीक अप, मैं ते से, नॉस औसे, स्पीक अप, मैं ते से,
मैं ते से, नॉस
नॉस
औसे।
औसे, स्पीक अप, मैं ते से।
देयर टू से।
Yes, we have two say. One is मेरा himself वाला say and मेरा जो plural वाला है वो भी मेरा say ही होगा। Clear?
ठीक है।
Okay. So देखो conjugation तो मेरी same है। Yo, I brush myself. So yo में I brush, because मेरा say किस में convert हो जाएगा, myself में। So yo में से पियो, यो में से पियो, क्योंकि मेरा ओ तो एंडिंग लगेगा ही लगेगा, बिकॉज दैट्स एन एंडिंग वर्ब, बट माय से इज कन्वर्टिंग टू मे इन टर्म्स ऑफ यो। इज इट क्लियर टू यू?
ओके, से पीओ मीनिंग से पीआर से पीआर
Yes,
से मींस
I
ब्रश।
brush myself. Say PRC is my reflexive verb because we have a say con see in Spanish we have a reflexive verb. देखो मैं बोल रहा था कि we have air ending verb, er ending verb and I ending verb, but we
से
have a
पीआर
verb
से ब्रश।
to brush oneself, say oneself. Clear?
ओके, टू
टू
ब्रश माई
ब्रश ही
सेल्फ।
है, बट एक हम उसको सेंस लेके चल रहे हैं। आप बोलते हो कि जो मेरी से वर्ब है ना, से वर्ब, उसको हम बोलते हैं कि आई ब्रश माई सेल्फ, यो में से पियो। क्लियर? ओके।
ओके
त्यू, त्यू ते
ओके,
से पियास।
तो वील से यो में,
हम्म
यो में से पियो,
हम्म
यो में से पियो।
एग्जैक्टली। तो यो में से पियो, तू
Okay,
ते,
if there's a if we say you brush yourself,
तू ते से
so
पियास,
tu tu te sepias, okay?
क्योंकि एंडिंग तो मेरा देखो सेपियो सेपिया तो सेम चल रहा है। इट इज जस्ट माय से को मुझे हटा के मे ते से लगाना है। इज इट क्लियर टू यू? बिकॉज दीज आर द
Hmm.
रिफ्लेक्सिव वर्ब। इज इट क्लियर टू यू?
Okay, tu
एल
se,
एया से, एल एया से
hmm,
सेपिया, एल एया से सेपिया, स्पीक अप, एल एया
el,
से सेपिया, स्पीक अप प्लीज।
se, sepia,
यस, स्पीक अप प्लीज।
okay. And we would say tu te sepias,
तू ते, स्पीक आफ्टर मी, यस, तू ते सेपिया,
okay? Tu te sepia,
एग्जैक्टली।
okay. And if there is ios, okay, nosotros sepi,
नोसोट्रोस हमारा क्या आएगा फिर?
sepi,
नोसोट्रोस,
nos,
नोस,
nosotros nos
नोस,
sepi llamos.
नोसोट्रोस, वेरी गुड, नोसोट्रोस, नोस सेपियामोस। इज इट क्लियर टू यू?
Yeah.
फिर हमारा क्या आएगा?
Sepiamos.
वोसोत्रोस,
Vosotros.
वोसोत्रोस,
Os.
ओस,
Vosotros.
ओस,
Os.
सेपियाइस, सेपी, सेपियाइस. Is it clear to you?
Yeah.
Clear? And
Yeah.
Eos, Eyas,
Yours. Yeah.
Eyas, Sepian. Is it clear to you?
Okay.
Clear?
Perfect. Perfect.
Perfect. Speak up.
Hmm.
Now, yo me sepio, tu te
Yo me
sepias, él,
sepio, yo
ella
me
se
sepio,
sepia,
tú te
nosotros nos
sepia,
sepiamos,
ella se
vosotros os
sepia.
sepiáis, and ellos, ellas se sepian. Is it clear to you?
Yeah.
Is it clear to you?
Yes.
Now, for example, we have a translation as they brush their teeth in the bathroom. They brush. तो क्या आ जाएगा आपका? तो they brush
They,
से sepian से
okay. They
because
brush their,
they brush. So what is this? Se sepian los dientes, the teeth. Both side हम लोग क्या होते हैं? Teeth is already plural, always plural होते हैं teeth. तो los
uh,
dientes, los is plural, dientes is your teeth. En el baño is
why
it
would we keep say, okay, say is, okay. Say is,
because we have a conjugation ना, है ना? Ellos, ellas se
yeah,
sepian.
yeah, yeah,
Is
yeah,
it clear to you? So क्या
yeah,
आ
yeah.
जाएगा? Se
Say
cepillan los dientes en el baño. Is it clear to you?
dientes
Se
en,
cepillan los dientes en el baño. Is it clear to you?
oh yeah, it's clear to me.
Clear? कोई बात नहीं, इसको
Yeah,
रिकॉर्ड, I will share the recording also. You will see this and definitely you will come to know. अब मैं करूँ कि the house has a garden. मेरे गार्डन में एक, सॉरी, मेरे हाउस में एक गार्डन है. The house has a garden. Simple. La casa tiene jardín.
the
La
house,
casa जो house है, tiene, tenemos verb, sorry, tener verb, tiene, because we have conjugation with el, ella, tiene. So la casa tiene jardín. Jardín is a garden. Is it clear to you?
yeah,
Clear? La
yeah,
casa tiene jardín. Is it clear to you?
yeah, it's clear to me.
अब मैं बोल रहा हूँ, हमने खुगार वर्ब करी थी, if you remember.
Yeah,
हमने एक वर्ब
Pugar,
करी थी खुगार. वहां भी क्या
Pugar,
हुआ था खुगार में कि my u is converted into ue, है ना? Yo juego,
yeah,
yo juego, if you remember.
hmm,
Tú
mm-hmm.
juegas. Is it clear to you?
Yes, yes,
Ella juega, nosotros jugamos, but nosotros will not get change. तो jugamos. Vosotros jugáis and ellos juegan. Is it clear to you?
yes.
तो मैं बोल रहा हूँ John and Sarah play in the garden. तो what I will say? John मतलब John y Sarah juegan. Juegan. Juegan क्यों आया? Because these are the plural. Juegan en el jardín. Is it clear to you?
John and
Y Sarah.
Sarah
Y Sarah.
and Sarah.
Y Sarah juegan en el jardín.
Okay,
Is it
John,
clear to you?
John y Sarah
Mm-hmm.
juegan
Mm-hmm.
en el jardín,
Jardín. Jardín.
jardín, jardín.
Is it clear to you?
Juegan, it juegan.
Yes, juegan. Is it
Perfect.
clear to you?
Yeah.
Now you will say they have dog. उनके पास कुत्ता है. They have dog. So what I will say?
Mhm.
Ellos. You have to say tienen. Tienen. They have.
They have.
Tienen un perro. Perro. We have dog. Perro.
Hmm.
Is it clear to you?
Yeah.
Okay. So perro. We have dog. तो tienen un perro. Is it clear to you?
Mhm. Yeah.
अब मैं बोलूँ कि John and Sarah like to play with the dog. You know what is हमने किया था like to do gustar verb gusta. If you remember,
Mhm.
हमने गुस्ता किया था गुस्ता. Is it clear to you? गुस्ता. जब आप
Yeah.
किसी चीज को आप बोलते हो कि I like to do this. So over here we
Hmm.
have to use gustar verb. Gustar. Gustar is my verb to like. जैसे आप बोलते I like to eat. तो मैं बोलूंगा me gusta comer. Is it clear to you?
Yeah.
हमने किया था ना गुस्तार वर्ब, if you remember.
हाँ हमने किया था, yeah, I
उन
remember
वीडियोस पे
that.
जाना, उन वीडियोस पे जाना, you will come to know गुस्तार, right? So मैं
हमने
बोलूंगा
किया था.
कि जॉन जॉन ए सारा अब कह रहा हूँ कि टू लाइक टू प्ले विद द डॉग, लाइक टू प्ले
Me, yeah, John
जॉन,
and Sarah. तो हमने किया था me gusta.
हाँ तो
फिर
ले गुस्ता क्यों लगा रहा हूँ?
ले,
जॉन ई सारा ई या फिर कैथी, जॉन ई कैथी, ले गुस्ता उसे, ले ले गुस्ता because that's a plural ना, ले गुस्ता प्लूरियल, ले गुस्ता खुगार con el perro, speak up, ले
John
गुस्ता,
and Kathy.
ले गुस्ता, ले is basically my them, they like, they like, ले गुस्ता, simple, they like is ले गुस्ता, they like, because ये दोनों प्लूरियल हैं, ले हैं ये, they हैं, they, ले गुस्ता, speak up, ले गुस्ता, speak up, ले, why we have ले, because there's a जोन है सारा हमारा प्लूरियल है, तो मैं गुस्ता तो आएगा नहीं, because that's my, अब बहुत सारे हैं तो दो जने हैं तो ले गुस्ता प्लूरियल, them, ले गुस्ता, they like jugar to play con el perro. Con is my with, el perro is my dog. So John y Kathy le gusta. ले क्यों आया? Because वो प्लूरियल है, दो लोग हैं.
Okay. So in English, it is John and Kathy like to play with the dog.
Exactly. Le gusta jugar con el perro. Is it clear to you?
Le gusta jugar con el perro.
Con is my with. Is it clear to you?
Yeah, it's clear.
Clear? अब देखो we have lot of things over here today. Jugar, jugamos. इसको repeat करो आप दोबारा से. La casa. Speak up. La casa.
La casa.
Speak up बोलो आप इसको सारा. Speak up.
La casa. Señor y señora Smith tienen tener un hijo,
मतलब पूरा सेंस क्या है?
hija.
पूरा सेंस क्या है हमारा? कि señor y señora Smith tienen un hijo y una hija. Is it clear to you?
Yeah. And in el nombre del hijo es David. El nombre de la hija es Kathy.
Clear?
And
you know, de la and del, you know, that's a rule. Okay, then we have, they live in the red house. Los Smith viven en una casa de roca.
Los Smith viven en una casa de roca. Tienen.
Speak up, please. Tienen verb, yo tengo.
Tienen verb, yo tengo, tú tienes, él,
tengo
ella
ni,
tiene.
tengo.
Yo tengo, tú tienes, él, ella tiene, él, ella tiene, nosotros tenemos, vosotros tenéis, ellos, ellas tienen una sala, ver, tú sí, yo veo. Yo veo,
tú ves, él, ella ve, very good. Nosotros vemos, veis, ven.
Nosotros vemos, vosotros veis, ellos, ellas ven la televisión en la sala, el padre cocina la comida en la cocina, cocinar, o amos, an, comer, to eat, o es, hemos, es, in, yo como, tú como, él, ella como. Como vosotros comemos, nosotros comemos, vosotros coméis, ellos y ellas comen.
Dormir verb, duerme,
él,
dormimos. Very good. Speak up, please. Speak up.
Okay. La casa tiene dos dormitorios. Dormir to sleep. Duermo, duermes, duerme, dormimos, dormis, duermen. Okay, now. Okay, duermen en los dormitorios. There is a bathroom. Hay un baño. Now, से प्यार से, से प्यार से, से प्यार से, से
Very good.
प्यार
इसको
से।
करो आप, इसको करो आप, ठीक है? करो आप एक सेकंड
हम्म।
इसको, ठीक है? फोन आ रहा है, करो इसको प्लीज।
से प्यार से, I brush myself, yo mi cepillo, tú te cepillas, él ella se cepilla, nosotros os cepillamos, vosotros os cepilláis, ellos ellas se cepillan los dientes en el baño,
Se
se,
cepillan los
se
dientes
cepillan
en
los
el
dientes
baño.
en el baño.
La
La
casa
casa
tiene
tiene
jardín.
jardín, jardín.
Ujú.
Okay. John y
Jugar.
Sarah juegan en el jardín.
Ujú.
Okay, they have
Ujú.
dog. Tienen un perro. John and
Ujú.
Kathy les gusta
Ujú.
jugar, jugar con el perro.
Ujú. Very good.
Yeah, it's done.
Okay. Gusta
Gusta.
jugar con el perro. Is it
Yeah,
clear to you?
yeah.
Clear? So that how the language concept is. Okay.
Mm.
So what I'm going to do is now, Senor, I'm going to share this video. Okay.
Okay.
In the next 5-10 minutes time, you'll get this video. Listen those recordings. Okay. And then I will catch you tomorrow.
Okay, and
Okay.
one more thing. Tomorrow,
Uh,
is there any time free in the afternoon?
I will give me. मैं अभी आपको फोन कर रहा हूँ because session recording पे है ना ये. I'm giving phone call back in next 5 minutes time. ठीक है?
Okay, done.